Hey guys, it's Scott Clark with Scooter Media, and in today's video, I'm reviewing the xcentral, which is a computer monitor stand / desk organizer from xlayout, and they really have thought of everything with this product. Let's get into it. The xcentral foldable dual monitor stand is essentially a double shelf computer monitor stand with folding legs, but this high-end product has many amazing features hidden within, which I'm about to show you. Taking a look at the xcentral itself, it is made up of two different foldable shelves. The larger of which is 420 by 200 by 85 millimeters, or 16.5 by 7.9 by 3.3 inches when folded into its smallest configuration, and 520 by 200 by 85 millimeters, or 20.5 by 7.9 by 3.3 inches when unfolded and in its largest format, and its maximum load capacity is 25 kilograms, or approximately 55 pounds. The smaller shelf measures 373 by 240 by 33.5 millimeters, or 14.7 by 9.4 by 1.3 inches when folded into its smallest configuration, and 373 by 240 by 81 millimeters, or 14.7 by 9.4 by 3.2 inches when unfolded and in its largest format. And its maximum load capacity is 15 kilograms, or approximately 33 pounds. The shelves are lightweight and made up of a mix of ABS, metal, acrylic, and silicone, and although they do feel like plastic mostly, it is a rugged and very sturdy plastic. They do feel very well built and like they will last a very long time with everyday use. I really like the adjustability and flexibility with the xcentral, as there are so many different configurations that you can do with it. You can use it as a dual shelf stacked on top of one another like this, while also being able to change the size of each shelf depending on how each one is folded or unfolded. And you can also use the shelves separately, turning the stacked dual shelf into two different monitor or laptop shelves, while still being able to configure each shelf to your liking. I have been using it in the stacked configuration as a laptop stand, and it's been great as it puts my laptop at eye level instead of constantly looking down at it. I mentioned earlier all of the amazing features built into the shelves, and I want to show you those now, starting with the ability to tilt your laptop safely and adjust the amount of tilt using the adjustable tilting laptop stand. There's a little lip at the front that folds up to keep your laptop from sliding off the shelf, and the tilting stand can be adjusted by locking in the adjuster at the back. Each shelf also has a phone / tablet holder that slides out on the left-hand side, and a small drawer on the right-hand side that slides out as well to keep any small items in. The drawer also doubles as a phone / tablet holder as well, with a rubberized lip that won't damage the device, meaning you can have up to 4 devices on the stands and off of your work area. There's also a built-in USB 3 hub for data transmission and fast charging, with 2 USB-A ports and a USB-C port on the large shelf. So once your laptop is attached to the shelf via the included cable, you can attach an external hard drive to the hub and transfer files or edit directly right off the drive. You can also attach your devices to the hub to fast charge them as well, which is super handy to have this built into the shelf. The large shelf also features 2 LED light strips, one on each side, and they can be changed to 6 different lighting configurations, including blue light flashing, green light steady, pink light flowing, multiple color light flowing, multiple color light gradual changing, and finally multiple color light breathing. There's a little button on the back of the large shelf to switch the colors, or it can be pressed and held to turn the lights on and off. This definitely adds some color and modern aesthetics to the shelves. The xcentral comes with the 2 foldable shelves, the power cable, which is a USB-A cable, and the cable to hook up the shelf to your computer, which is a micro B to USB-A, and both of those cables get hooked up to the back of the large shelf near that LED light button. The user manual, service card, and some other paperwork are also included. Overall, I've been very pleased with the build quality, the adjustability, and the design of the xcentral, and I also think it looks fantastic on the desk, and it really does help organize and declutter your workspace. If you're in the market for a computer monitor shelf, a laptop shelf, or something to help organize your desk, I would definitely recommend the xcentral by xlayout. I will leave a link in the description to purchase the xcentral. It does sell for $99.99, but use my coupon code SCOOTER at checkout to save 10% off your purchase. If you have made it this far and found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, as it really does make a difference, and I'd love to have you join me on this YouTube journey. I recently did a review on the X-Arm by xlayout, which is a really cool tablet and fold holder that attaches to your desk and has some amazing features as well. If you're interested in learning more about it, click on the link here and I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching today's video. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.